I want to start off today saying thank you to everyone that is currently subscribed. It means a lot to me. You all are awesome. I want to announce that starting today, I'll be doing a $50 BNB giveaway to one of my awesome subscribers. I have the entry link in the description of the video. I'm going to do this from now until the end of April. And you can be a current subscriber and still win the giveaway. Just follow the instructions in the entry link that I place in the description of the video. Today I want to talk about my 91-day crypto journey as I chronicle my success with the Baked Beans protocol, and even wanting you all within the community to jump in on this and give updates to your individual journeys as well. Then I want to close out the video with some security audit highlights for this protocol and token, and even notify you about two different Baked Beans calculators that are circling around in the crypto space. This is the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, and nothing I say in this video constitutes financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for purely entertainment and educational purposes only. So I'm sitting on over $500 in this account, and I'm going to compound it every day and watch it grow to $40,000 in 91 days per this Baked Beans spreadsheet. So I'll call this journey, or this video, I'm going to call this 500 to 40,000 in 91 days. And I'm going to put two different links for the Baked Beans spreadsheet calculators to in this description of this video to kind of help you all and to help the community track their beans a little bit easier. As you can see, I've updated the spreadsheet to reflect this 91-day journey on the screen. Ignore this date up at the top because I started on the April 7th. That's when I officially started this 91-day countdown to 40K. So some of you will probably hit that number before I do, and some of y'all will hit that number after I do. I do believe in the sustainability of this project, with one caveat that I will talk about in a bit. And I've even looked over the current Ethos security audit as well. Baked Beans has a positive engagement on Twitter with 5,000 plus followers, and on Telegram with 15,000 plus members. The DApp Radar has it with 25,000 users of this protocol and over 12.99 million in the contract balance. The Ethos security audit revealed 4 low-risk, non-critical issues with the contract and 1 medium-risk issue with the Bean Chart token. Okay, so I stress that they have an owner wallet. I want to say they have an owner wallet that will accumulate a significant portion of the LP tokens. So in other words, mishandling of the private key of that wallet can have devastating consequences to the project as a whole. And Ethos, the ones that did the security audit, gave them recommendations on how to fix this issue right here in their audit. So for the simple fact, when you look at the website and you look at it, it's kind of plain. It's kind of, the UI wasn't really, it's functional, but it's not as robust as other platforms and protocols out there. I'll say that, but if I had to say anything about, I've been in the crypto space for a while. Websites like this come and go, rug pulls come and go. So don't get mad at me, but hey, this could either be a rug pull or they could be either waiting. Because when you look at the cryptobakehouse.com, the roadmap, you can see where they're already outlined, when they get to 5,000 holders, 10,000 holders, and 50,000 holders. And then after 50,000 holders, it's like, hey, stay tuned. We got more that we want to talk about in the third quarter of 2022, but they didn't really put anything up there unless they're going to update this. So if I were them and I wanted to rug pull, I would do it right here between quarter 2 and quarter 3 of 2022 after I got my 50,000 holders. but the contract balance as high as I can get it, and then rug pull. But I just hope they don't do that. I hope they don't do that. Don't get mad at me, but I just hope they don't do it. But you know what they say, only invest what you can afford to lose. So, that's my take on baked beans, their security, and the update, update. This is day 9 of this journey to 40K. Don't forget to enter in the $50 crypto giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put the link in the description. And if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I create a new video. And with that, I'm out.